Howdy, this video is for Julie Miller. My name is Joseph Graham with Upshot Solutions. Our partners over there at the Lone Star Times that you may be interested in what we do over here. So as you can see on this screen, I have Dallas Foundation Repair Inc. pulled up. And the first thing we're looking at right now is your map listing. Because what I'm going to review with you right now are called the key elements to ranking organically, right? Now, when somebody is looking for a concrete contractor in Dallas, Texas, a couple things are going to happen. They're either going to ask somebody they know, hey, do you know a good concrete contractor? Or like a service that you provide, right? Or they're going to hop online and search for that. Now, when they search for it, they're going to do one of two things again. They're going to either type in their question or they're going to ask these robots like Siri, the phone, the little computer like this right here, Cortana, concrete contractor, right? And they'll pop up whatever after they ask that question, and then you're gonna have some results show up. So you got people paying for ads. Anderson Paving, they're paying for ads right now. B&B DFW, they're paying for ads. Why are these people paying for ads? Because they know the value of being on page one, and so they're trying to buy their way there because they're not organically here, so they have to pay their way in there. And this is how you organically get in there. And the first key element is your map listing, which anchors you in the town you want to rank in. So this is your map listing, right? And this right here builds trust with the public and with Google. And as you can see, this is the first thing that people really see are these top three map listings. See, this guy, he's buying his way in here. Pinnacle, he's buying his way in there. Now, here's an article. It says that 68% of searchers prefer the top three businesses in the map packs. 27 prefer the organic listings below, which are these businesses down here. And then 10% only trust paid ads. So the majority of people, 70% of the somebody searching for your service are going to call one of these top three map listings, 70% chance. And then 74% of those look at their reviews first. Like they look at least 5 reviews. So what I'm going to demonstrate now is something called the heat map. And the key word is foundation repair. So this is going to tell us when somebody is searching for your service in a particular area, where you pop up. So I'm just going to start drawing a map. I'm going to draw a little map around, some of the major DFW cities and areas. You guys are located in North Dallas, so I'll just keep it right there. I might even shrink it up a little bit okay. Now we're just going to see anybody in these little circles. These are different areas. So somebody over here in Mesquite, when they search for foundation repair, they're going to have a different result than somebody in Arlington searching for foundation repair. We're going to start the map. While that heat map is populating, we're going to go into it. So citations go off the name, address, and phone number. The exact same information used to set up that GMB. A citation is when this NAP information is on a local, let's say like you have it on Facebook. Facebook is going to give you a citation. If you're registered with the local chamber of commerce, they're going to give you citation, yellow pages, but there's literally hundreds of places to get citations. And these are just different avenues saying, hey, yeah, your business is over here. This is what you do. Content, it's the words on your site. It needs to be authoritative and relevant to searchers. So if I type for something, let's see, like concrete piers, this business pops up first with this box of information because this website, foundationrepairs.com, has the most authoritative and relevant information when it comes to concrete piers in this area, right? Usually Wikipedia will pop up first because they have the most authoritative content. And we're going to go back to this heat map, okay? This is your heat map. So anybody in these areas searching for foundation repair, this is, you're not in the top, 10. You're like in the 20s. So we'll just go over here with 635. So anybody over here is off of 635, south of you, these are the top 3 listings that are going to appear first. Stratton, Metroplex, Dow Rock. All right. So if you're not 1, 2, or 3, if you're 4 or back, you're not going to get shown in the top 3 results anyways. But this is just something to keep in mind. Right. So to continue content, it needs to be authoritative and relevant, and backlinks are the juice that push anything you have online with a URL. This is the juice that pushes it forward. When I say forward, to page 1. Okay. All of these have a factor in showing up in the maps and ranking organically. And what this does is this drives traffic. This is just another way to drive traffic when people are actively searching for your business. Okay. If you have any more questions, I wish I could rant about this all day, talk about it all day, but uh, Upshot Solutions LLC. If you have any questions or you want to learn some more, just visit upshotsolutionsllc.com. Thank you.